Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my first makeup challenge, which I'm going to be doing a full face with just using a beauty blender. So I'm gonna get my stuff out real quick and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so as you know, there's some things you cannot use a beauty blender for, like eyeliner, which I don't use anyway, and mascara, a couple liquid things, but we're gonna try our best, obviously, so here we go. Now, the first thing I usually do is some serum. So I'm going to put some on the beauty blender. Oops, that's not. Next, I'm going to do some moisturizer, which will work out pretty well. The serum did not, it immediately soaked into the beauty sponge. Okay, I'm going to use setting spray, which obviously I can't use a beauty blender for, just so I have a base, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so I'm going to use face primer. And if you haven't seen, I used this from my Miss A unboxing that I did a couple weeks ago. That's what that looks like. I guess I forgot my huge glob. Next, I'm gonna do BB cream. Next thing is my liquid concealer that I also got from Miss A. Put that ugly thing right there. I'm also going to set it real quick before I do my foundation. Okay, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. So I guess I didn't really need to use concealer, but I do anyway. That's what that looks like. This is a challenge for me because I'm really bad about using my hands for most of these things, so that's why I wanted to try this out. Next, I'm going to be using some setting powder that I also got from Miss A. I'm going to let that set for a little bit and try to put some eyeshadow on with the same sponge. I'm actually going to try to find another beauty sponge that is a little bit smaller to see if I can get in the eye area better. So hold on one second. So I found this one, which is not too much smaller, but I'm going to try it out. Okay. Oh. First, we have to do the eyeshadow primer, also from Miss A. I saw someone do this, and they put it on the back of their hand. Now we'll put some eyeshadow on. I don't have a little mirror, so I'm gonna use this. Don't be shy, put some more. Don't be shy, put some more. Am I the only one that has to like have their mouth open for like everything to do with makeup? Because I feel like I am. Okay, I'm not very good at anything with eyeshadow anyway, so I have like one trick that I do. Not really a trick, it's just the only look I can do, and that is just putting a darker shade on the outside, which I'm really scared about with this. Oops, sorry, messed up. Oh, this does not look good. That looks terrible. Oh my gosh. Oof. Okay. Let's do the other side real quick. Oh God, that looks so bad. Hi, how you doing? Skip that and get the setting powder to not look like I ate a powdered donut. Pick some of that. Okay. So now we're going to use some highlighter. Nice. I think it's just the lighting in here is picking that one up. Put some on the nose. Ooh. Ooh. Hi. Okay. I think we're just going to do some mascara, which obviously I'm not going to do with a beauty blender. Hi, spider lashes, how you doing? Okay, finish off with some setting spray and then we'll look at this a little closer. Okay guys, that is it. I had to come upstairs because the kids found me in that room so I could sign off. So challenge wasn't that bad. Eyeshadow was the worst, obviously. But I think for this being my first makeup challenge, I did awesome. So thanks so much for watching and we will see you next time.